SMTC Corporation, a lot of people is watching it, and so far is doing very well, and we cannot complain. The stock continued to move higher after the company reported strong fiscal 2026 results and gave positive guidance for the next quarter. The main driver behind the recent move has been growing demand linked to AI data centers and optical networking technologies. During the last month, Wall Street focused heavily on SMTC's ability to supply products for AI infrastructure. The company introduced new 224 GB products designed for next-generation AI cluster, hyperscales, cloud systems, and advanced optical connections. Management also highlighted strong interest in 1.6 trillion and 3.23 technologies for future data center upgrades. The latest earnings report showed that SMTC delivered record yearly revenue growth. Fiscal 2026 revenue increased around 15% year over year. The company also reported 8 straight quarters of revenue growth. Operating cash flow and free cash flow remained strong, showing improving business quality and better execution from management. One important point for investors is that SMTC infrastructure business continued to grow quickly. Infrastructure revenue increased strongly compared with last year, supported by AI networking demand. The company said data center related business could grow more than 50% organically during the fiscal 2027. Another major topic over the past month has been optical connectivity industry. Demand for optical interconnected solutions is expanding very fast. Because the AI systems they require faster data movement with lower power use, SMTC products are designed to reduce power consumption while improving performance inside large AI server systems. This became one of the main reasons analysts remained positive on the company outlook. The company also continued expanding its LoRa business. LoRa products are used in smart cities, smart buildings, industrial monitoring, and asset tracking. Annual LoRa revenue showed strong year-over-year growth, helping diversify the company beyond the AI infrastructure alone. Over the past months, analysts increased price targets several times after the earnings release and update guidance. Multiple firms maintained positive ratings as investors continue looking for semiconductor companies connected to AI infrastructure growth. There are still risks investors are watching closely. Margins remain under pressure compared with some larger semiconductor companies, and competition inside AI network remains intense. SMTC is also still recovering from past acquisitions-related debt challenges. However, recent quarters somehow showed significant improvement in execution and balancing sheet direction. The next major event for the investors is waiting for the upcoming earnings reports that will come around early June 2026 and see if all of those expectations are going to be confirmed.